Happy May, everyone. We are back in the lawn again for a short, and I'm pretty sure uncontroversial take, so stick around. What's up, guys? I'm Rhett. Welcome back to Lawn Insider. Today's actually my son's birthday. We're kind of in between festivities right now, about to go to dinner, so this is gonna be a very quick video and probably a little bit clickbaity, but here is what the lawn is looking like right now. And this is without a doubt the best the lawn has looked up to this point in the season. We have a real nice uniform green across the entire lawn right now. And the back is looking pretty good as well. We also have just had beautiful weather this weekend, and we have beautiful weather coming up this week and some rain on the forecast. But we have highs in May in the low 80s. Tomorrow is actually in the 70s. And that's just something that we're not used to getting here in Texas. But like I alluded to in the title, the best thing that you can put on your lawn is free. Now, the only problem with that, the catch that goes with that, is that we have no control over it. And if you haven't figured out by now what I'm talking about, I'm just talking about rainwater. We were blessed on Friday with over an inch of rain here. I think it actually got close to 2 inches of rain, and your yard just responds to rainwater so much differently than it does to your irrigation system. So here is what the back lawn is currently looking like. And you can see we still have a little pea spot damage that pops up here and there. So it doesn't just look like artificial turf back here. There's definitely some blemishes, but the beautiful thing about Bermuda is that those spots will heal themselves, and you'll see that the green will eventually take over. So you can see right here, for instance, we have the pea spot, and then we have some green that's working its way in, and it eventually just closes in and fills in those spots. Like I mentioned, rain, absolutely the best thing that you can put on your lawn. Unfortunately though, especially if you live in my area, we have been in one heck of a drought. You'll see pictures or videos of Canyon Lake or the rivers around here, and unfortunately they're at pretty low levels just across the board. So anytime that we can get, and now in the last 2 or 3 weeks now, we've had multiple storms that have rolled through that have delivered, at least on my side of town, over an inch of rain. And that's unusual, especially in the last few years here. And still, up to this point, the only application I've made is the granular green tracks, which is a fertilizer that I picked up from Ewing. Honestly, it might be 2 or 3 seasons ago at this point. I just had it left over in my garage. That's the only application that I've made. I did get some liquid products a few days ago delivered to my porch, and I'm excited to use those, but those are going to be waiting for another video and another time. Right now, we're just going to revel in the fact that we have beautiful weather. I get to go out and have a nice dinner here in a little bit with some birthday cake and celebrate my son and my #1 lawn partner, and the fact that the lawn is looking as good as it is with pretty minimal effort aside from the frequent mowing, which obviously I preach to y'all all the time. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I do realize that it was a little bit clickbaity, so I do apologize for that. But hey, we tried to get eyeballs on the channel, so it is what it is. If you're enjoying the content, please hit that black subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I'll see y'all again soon. Lawn Insider, out.